Recommended use. Ages 3+. Make reading and cleaning up easy. The kid-sized height allows children to easily view and select their favorite books. Bright colors makes it fun and easy for kids to put books back when they are done reading. Helps develop organizational skills. Storage solution. 4 soft fabric storage pockets offer the perfect storage space for books of all shapes and sizes, magazines, folders, binders or coloring books. Will look great in your playroom, living room, basement or your child's bedroom. Built to last. Strong sturdy wood frame will stand up to years of use. Size. Assembled dimensions, 24.25 w x 11.6 d x 28 h. Easy assembly. Easy to reach 4-tier storage for storybooks, magazines or coloring books. Top reviews from the United States. Deep pockets. I was impressed by the quality. Super easy to assemble. However, the pockets are very deep, so if you have any books shorter than a standard coloring book they will not be visible. I was determined to make it work because of the matching table, so I ended up rolling the first and third shelf and securing them with large binder clips. I left the fourth shelf deep to store some of my larger homeschooling supplies like doodle pads and large construction paper pads.